Hey, what's up guys, it's Diana here with EntreChats Daily, helping you learn strategies to start your business by increasing your time and your income, even if you're working a 9-to-5 job. So if that's something up your alley, definitely consider subscribing. So a couple months ago, I had the pleasure of speaking at a local networking event here in St. Louis, Missouri for women, and I sat on a panel of other entrepreneurs, and the crowd was able to ask us different questions about starting a business or maybe starting a particular type of business based on the different industries that we were in. And we got to the point to where one young lady, she asked a question about, wanting to quit her job and when is the right time and how does she balance and deal with all the things, because she was really at a point of frustration dealing with her company and just all the things that were going on and how that was just really affecting her passion to really go ahead and take a chance on herself. And I was able to answer part of that question in addition to one other young lady, but I'll just play you a short clip of that networking event. So let's jump over to the video.
I definitely believe in the message that God gave me to share in his book, and I believe in it so much that I'm ready to quit my job. I'm ready. Now the message is heavy, but messages don't pay bills, right? So like my business coaches and everybody is just telling me, well, you have to just keep working and all of that. So what were, like, if any of you ladies were working full-time in your business on the side, like what were some things that you did or some tips that you have to like keep you encouraged? Like how did you just not quit your job one day? Or is that what I'm supposed to do? Like, help me out in that transition piece.
Okay, so one of the things that you asked is like knowing when to make that transition, and then you talked about that it hasn't kind of produced that income yet. One of the things that I would always suggest is that when you get that fire start to bubble up on the inside, then you start to look at your job and you start to look at it from a place of hate. You start to look at it from a place of negativity, and you start to, just maybe cursing in the morning in your head, ask for forgiveness later. And, it's just like, so I understand where you're coming from. One of the things that you have to understand is you got to take control of this first. And that will impact how you look at and different things. Because if you're so focused and negative in the morning, you may miss somebody or something that is for you on your journey towards that full-time support of for your business. So you have to start displacing certain things from your job to your business. So maybe the first bill is your cell phone bill. Let the business be able to support that cell phone bill. That's maybe $50, $60, $100, whatever it is, and start replacing those things. And if you are going into your job every single day with a plan, because guaranteed your employers have a plan for you. Even if they fired you, they got a plan for that position the next day. Stop giving energy to your job in that way. Do what's required for you to be there. Thank God for it. You have to start speaking and saying what you want the conditions of your job to be, because you got to be able to survive today, be able to thrive today. And so when you get up in the morning, start having your words that you're saying, your confessions of faith, that you're believing God for a peaceful day. You're believing God that your supervisor is being blessed. Start praying for these people in a positive way so that when you go to work, you may be physically doing the task, but mentally, you got to be clocked in for you. Be present and in the moment every time you at some place. So at this event, be present. Don't be thinking about, I only got so many hours. Wherever you are, stay present where you are and start having a plan for yourself every day and commit to a certain amount of hours that you can dedicate to your business. So if that is 5 hours per week and you know that you got 30 minutes, or you may take 15 minutes of your lunch, when you go in for a plan for yourself and you know that you sold a book that day, you just saved yourself an hour. Or you can get to the point to where an event today, you sold more books or you sold more whatever, or even from this event, and you saved yourself a day at work. So start thinking about that replacement strategy of what you want to do, so that way the stress of your job can start to back off of your heart and let God really move for you in your business so that you can be you. You know what I'm saying? Because when you're feeling bad about your job and you're feeling bad about this person said to you, when you clocked in up here for you 24/7 and you know what God has for you is for you and you're going to tackle that and succeed in that, you're not even worried about the job. The job is an afterthought. You're lucky because I showed up to work today. Everybody's blessed because you clocked in. So when you start taking that kind of audacity and authority of what you're doing moving forward, the job doesn't even matter. So when you let it go, it's their loss. It's their loss, even before you turn in the paper. So hopefully that provided some value for you, because I know for those that were in the room, just continuing on in that session where they were able to ask just loads of questions and just kind of like a ask me anything kind of session, it was really valuable. So let me know down in the comments below, are you thinking about quitting your job to do your passion full time, or are you just really comfortable having what you love to do on the side and maybe you enjoy what you do in your 9-to-5 job? So let me know down in the comments below. But thanks for watching EntreChats Daily. Join us tomorrow for another video where again I help you learn strategies to start and build your business, as well as save you some time and build your income. So if that's something up your alley, like I said, subscribe. But as always, my friends, live with passion. I'll see you guys tomorrow here at EntreChats. Go, maybe not tomorrow, it's Sunday. So Monday here at EntreChats Daily. Take care, everyone. I'll see you guys later. Bye.